Hello, Willie Stoltz here, used truck sales manager for Industrial Power Trucking Equipment. Today we're going to do a walk around on this 2018 International 4300. It is a 25,950 GVW, so it comes in under the CDL class. Before we jump into the walk around on this truck, we want to make sure you hit the subscribe button and the like button, so that way every time we're getting new product online, you'll be notified and you can take a look at it on our website. We bring these trucks in from our customers' trade-ins or from our leasing department. We go through them, wholesale the trucks we don't want, keeping just the best trucks for our customers to purchase. Once we've done that, we do a 150-point check. We go through the cabs, bodies, lift gates, tires, brakes, engine, transmission fluids. Any discrepancies that are found, we run them through our medium shop, through our body shop. Once that's done, we do a QC on them, test drive them, clean up, and ready to put online for you to look at. As we said, we've got a 2018 International 4300. It's got the Cummins engine in it, Allison automatic transmission, and on top of that 150-point check, we have gone through, changed the engine oil filter, the air filter, fuel filter, the DPF filter has been done, and this truck is AGWS certified, so you can buy this truck, put the warranty on it, and feel good about your purchase. Let's take a look at the inside of the truck real quick. As we climb up into the cab and get in here, this particular unit does have an air ride suspension seat for the driver. It's got a two-person bench seat, so you can have a crew of three. We've got great outward visibility, and with the sloped hood that this International has, you still have pretty good upward visibility. We've got AM/FM radio. We've got AC cruise control on this unit, and this is an air brake truck with air ride suspension, which is highly desirable. And being a 2018 truck, this truck is fairly new, but you can see it cleaned up really well. Let's take a look at the business end of this truck real quick. Even though here at Industrial Power we are a Hino and Isuzu dealer, we do take trucks of other manufacturers in, and when we bring these trucks through our inspection, you can feel assured that we give these trucks the same love as we do the Isuzu and Hino. That way we know we're putting out a good product for our customers to buy. This particular truck is a 26-foot Morgan. It's a DuraPlate truck. It's got nice rub rails down it. You can come down and see this truck's really good shape. It's got really good rubber on it. It's got new mud flaps. And as we say, this is an air brake, air ride truck. This truck is equipped with a step bumper with an aluminum ramp on it. It's 23 inches wide. It's 13 foot long, so it gives you a good degree where you can get your stuff up and down on it. But also on the back of this truck, we can cut this off and install a lift gate of your liking on there if that's what you need. As we come up into the body, this is a 26 foot long, 97 tall, 102 wide. We've got the hardwood slats. We've got the hardwood scuff across both sides, across the front. We can add E-track to this truck if you'd like. It's pretty open, so you can put that to your desired measurements. It's got a really nice translucent roof in it. It's got two LED dome lights for those early morning, late afternoon deliveries. And as you can see in here with that translucent roof, you can get a really good view of what's going on in here with your guys loading and unloading your product. And this laminated hardwood floor has got a whole lot of life left in it, still nice, with the dock plate on the back for running in and out. Here at Industrial Power, we have a lot of different vocational trucks and box trucks. And even though this 2018 truck is really, really clean, we can take and do a full wrap on the body and on the cab if you'd like, with your name, your design, your phone number, so that way when you're running down the road, you can have your fuel money turn it into advertising money, bring that business back into you or new business to you. As we say, we've got a really nice 2018 International 4300. It is a 25,950 GVW, so it does come in under CDL. It is an air brake, air ride truck. Really nice. If you'd like, you can go to our website, iptruck.com, go to our Facebook page, or subscribe to our YouTube channel. We want you to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you'll know every time we're putting new product on. If you'll stick with us for a second, we're going to open the hood, start this truck up, and do a little more intimate walk around of it so you get a better look at it. And as always, we appreciate your time.